Welcome to our Explore Europe series. Today we embark on a culinary journey across Europe, a paradise for food lovers. From the sun-drenched shores of the Mediterranean to the cozy corners of Scandinavia, we'll be whisked away on a tantalizing adventure for the senses. Our first stop takes us to the Basque Country, a region straddling Spain and France, where the food is as vibrant as the culture. Imagine stepping into a bustling Pintxos bar in San Sebastian, a wonderland of small, delectable bites piled high on counters. Each morsel is a burst of flavor, from succulent seafood to savory meats and vibrant vegetables, all artfully arranged on crusty bread. And let's not forget the Txakoli, the region's slightly sparkling, refreshingly dry white wine. Picture yourself glass in hand overlooking the Bay of Biscay, the sun warm on your skin as you savor the moment. The Basque Country is a feast for all the senses, a place where food, wine and art intertwine to create an unforgettable experience. Next, we venture into the heart of Italy, to the Emilia-Romagna region, a place where food is not just sustenance but a way of life. This is Italy's Food Valley, a region where culinary traditions run deep and flavors are celebrated with passion. Imagine standing in a Parma cheese cellar, the air thick with the aroma of aging Parmigiano Reggiano. The cheese, with its rich, nutty flavor, is a testament to the region's dedication to artisanal production. And then, there's the prosciutto di Parma, thinly sliced and melt-in-your-mouth tender, a true delicacy. Emilia-Romagna is a culinary paradise, a place to indulge in the simple pleasures of Italian food and embrace the region's passion for good living. Our culinary journey continues to France, a country synonymous with gastronomy. We begin in Lyon, a city renowned for its bouchons, traditional restaurants serving hearty Lyonnaise cuisine. Imagine yourself seated at a checkered tablecloth, a carafe of local wine on the table, as you tuck into a plate of coq au vin, the chicken that's fall off the bone tender. From Lyon, we'll venture into the rolling hills of Burgundy, a region synonymous with world-class wines. Lyon and Burgundy offer a true taste of France, a harmonious blend of rustic charm and culinary finesse. Next, we head north to Scandinavia, a region that has embraced culinary innovation while staying true to its roots. Our journey begins in Copenhagen, a city at the forefront of new Nordic cuisine. Imagine dining in Michelin-starred restaurants where chefs push the boundaries of gastronomy, using fresh local ingredients in creative and unexpected ways. But Copenhagen isn't just about high-end dining. The city also boasts a thriving street food scene and cozy cafes, where you can enjoy a traditional Danish pastry. Copenhagen and southern Sweden offer a fascinating blend of innovation and tradition, a culinary adventure that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you wanting more. Our culinary adventure takes us next to Portugal, a country with a rich seafaring history and a cuisine that reflects its connection to the ocean. We begin in Lisbon, a city where history, culture and gastronomy intertwine. You are strolling through the narrow cobbled streets of the Alfama district, the air filled with the scent of grilled sardines and the sound of fado music drifting from local restaurants. Lisbon is a city best explored on foot, stopping at small cafes for a pastel de nata, a custard tart with a crisp, flaky pastry, a true Portuguese icon. From Lisbon we'll journey north to Porto, a city famous for its namesake wine. Lisbon and Porto offer a taste of Portugal's soul, a delicious blend of history, culture and culinary delights that will captivate your senses. Our next stop takes us to the sun-drenched island of Crete, the birthplace of the Mediterranean diet, and a place where food is not just sustenance, but a celebration of life. Here, every meal is a festive occasion, a time to gather with loved ones and enjoy the bounty of the land. Imagine yourself wandering through a local market, the stalls overflowing with fresh produce, ripe tomatoes, glossy eggplants, fragrant herbs and glistening olives. The vibrant colors and enticing aromas draw you in, inviting you to explore further. Crete is a place where olive oil reigns supreme, its golden green hue a testament to the island's fertile land. We'll visit olive groves, learn about the olive oil production process, from the careful harvesting of the olives to the traditional pressing methods that have been passed down through generations, and savor the taste of this liquid gold, drizzled over salads, grilled meats, and fresh bread. Imagine dining al fresco, the Aegean Sea stretching out before you, its azure waters shimmering in the sunlight as you savor the catch of the day. Grilled octopus, tender calamari, and succulent swordfish, all bursting with flavor. Each bite is a testament to the island's rich culinary heritage. Crete is a culinary paradise, a place to indulge in the simple pleasures of fresh, seasonal ingredients. Here, the food is a reflection of the land and sea, a harmonious blend of flavors that tell the story of Crete. And experience the true meaning of the Mediterranean lifestyle. It's a way of life that celebrates good food, good company, and the beauty of the natural world. Get ready to explore Bavaria, a region in southeastern Germany where hearty cuisine reigns supreme. Picture yourself strolling through Munich, the Bavarian capital, with its grand architecture and charming squares. Bavaria is a feast for the soul, a place to indulge in hearty cuisine, lively traditions, and breathtaking scenery. Our culinary journey through Italy continues as we venture to Piedmont, a region in the north known for its elegant cities, rolling hills, and exquisite cuisine. This area is a true gem, offering a blend of natural beauty and rich cultural heritage. Piedmont is the birthplace of the slow food movement, a philosophy that celebrates regional traditions, artisanal production, and the joy of taking time to savor each bite. This movement emphasizes the simple pleasures of good food, encouraging people to connect with their meals and the stories behind them. No trip to Piedmont would be complete without experiencing the region's prized ingredient, truffles. These aromatic treasures are sought after by chefs and food lovers worldwide. Imagine the earthy aroma of freshly shaved white truffles over a plate of tajarin, thin, hand-cut egg noodles. This dish is a true testament to the elegance and simplicity of Piedmontese cuisine. Each bite of tajarin with truffles offers a unique taste experience, highlighting the region's dedication to culinary excellence. Piedmont is also renowned for its wines. Piedmont is a feast for the senses, a region where culinary traditions run deep and flavors are celebrated with every meal. The local cuisine is diverse and deeply rooted in history. Here, the art of slow living reigns supreme, inviting you to relax, savor, and truly enjoy the moment. The lifestyle in Piedmont is as rich and fulfilling as its food and wine. Our culinary journey takes us next to the Emerald Isle, specifically to Southwest Ireland, a region renowned for its stunning landscapes, warm hospitality, and delicious cuisine. This part of Ireland is a treasure trove of culinary delights and breathtaking views that captivate the senses. Our first stop is Cork, a vibrant city with a rich culinary heritage. Known for its lively atmosphere and historic charm, Cork offers a unique blend of traditional and contemporary flavors. We'll visit the English Market, a covered market dating back to the 18th century, and marvel at the array of fresh produce. This market is a food lover's paradise, offering everything from local vegetables to exotic spices, seafood, meats, cheeses, and baked goods. The variety and quality of the products here are simply astounding, making it a must-visit for anyone passionate about food. From Cork, we'll venture along the Wild Atlantic Way, a scenic coastal route that winds its way along Ireland's western coast. This route is famous for its dramatic cliffs, serene beaches, and picturesque villages. We'll stop at charming fishing villages and savor the freshest seafood, oysters plucked straight from the sea. These villages are not only beautiful, but also offer a glimpse into the traditional way of life. Succulent mussels steamed in white wine. The simplicity of the preparation allows the natural flavors to shine through, creating a dish that's both elegant and comforting. And grilled fish, simply prepared with a drizzle of olive oil and a squeeze of lemon juice. This method highlights the freshness of the fish, making each bite a delight. Southwest Ireland is a feast for the soul, a place where stunning scenery, warm hospitality, and delicious cuisine combine to create an unforgettable experience. Every corner of this region tells a story, inviting you to explore and savor its many offerings. And delicious cuisine combine to create an unforgettable experience. Whether you're a foodie, a nature lover, or simply looking for a place to relax, Southwest Ireland has something special for everyone. Our final culinary adventure takes us to the crossroads of Europe and Asia, Istanbul, the vibrant and historic city that straddles two continents. We'll begin our journey in Istanbul's bustling spice markets, where the air is thick with the aromas of cardamom, cinnamon, cumin, saffron and sumac. Istanbul's street food scene is legendary, and we'll be sure to sample a variety of delicacies, from simit, a sesame-encrusted bread ring, to doner kebab, thinly sliced meat cooked on a vertical rotisserie. From Istanbul, we'll journey along the Turkish coast, exploring the regional variations in Turkish cuisine. Our culinary journey across Europe ends in Istanbul and the Turkish coast, a fitting finale to a journey that has taken us from the Atlantic to the Aegean, from the North Sea to the Mediterranean. And no Turkish culinary journey would be complete without indulging in its famous desserts, like baklava and Turkish delight. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey across Europe. We've explored a tapestry of flavors, from the rustic charm of the Basque Country to the elegant simplicity of Piedmont, from the hearty delights of Bavaria to the spice-infused streets of Istanbul. Until then, bon appétit. Subscribe for more.